Yeah, turn early.
That's it, a little bit of throttle, a little
Yeah.
throttle,
Wow.
Stay flat through the right.
Yeah.
In the middle of the track.
Yeah.
Brake hard. Third gear corner. Stay in third. Off the brake. And wait, just come around. That's it. A little bit more gas. Keep going to the end of the white line. Cut left, full power. Brake hard. Coming right. Harder brake, harder brake, harder brake, harder brake.
Oh, yeah.
Wait now, squeeze.
Yeah.
Come over earlier.
Yeah.
Full power, up a gear.
Whoa!
Keep going to the orange, keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Then brake, stay right.
Oh, I forgot this left.
Keep braking, keep braking.
Up.
So there, it's easy. You actually just go to the cone,
Yeah.
brake, and wait until
Straight.
you see it.
Yeah.
Then turn.
Yeah.
You don't turn until you see it, basically. Full power. Go in, it's a fourth gear corner. Brake. Off the brake, bit of gas. More gas. More. Good. Little brake, just a little one. Off the brake, little bit of gas now. Gas now. Now. Go. Keep going to the orange cones. Keep going. Hard brake. Look for the opening. Stay on the brake into it. Down another gear. Still brake. There we go. Brake now. Turn early. Look ahead.
Holy mother of God, this is amazing.
Stay straight.
Yeah.
Brake hard. Third gear corner. Keep the brakes on. Off the brakes. Look at the next point.
Yeah.
Looking through.
Cutting it a little bit, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
More gas now, more gas. Stay on the gas, cut across. Go. Brake harder than you think. Slow it down more. That's it.
Yeah.
A bit of gas now. A bit more. Come over to the right early to get a longer pass. Full power. Go. Don't brake until I say. Get over more. Flat. Brake hard.
This is
Stay straight.
scary.
There we go. Brake again. Through.
This is scary, but it's so cool.
A little bit of gas. More
Yeah.
gas. Full gas.
Yeah.
Keep going. Fourth gear coming up. Keep going. Now, fourth gear. Off the brake. Turn in. Bit of gas. More gas. Good. Little brake. Off the brake. Bit of gas. Now what? Bit of gas. Now gas. Keep going to the cones. Hard brake. Keep the brakes on. Down a gear. Good. Turn in, look ahead, smooth throttle application. Now full power, go.
Fourth.
Fifth.
Flat out, yeah.
Brake hard. Brakes. Roll off the brakes. Be patient with the gas. That's it. Nice line. A little bit of gas now. A bit more.
Yeah.
A bit more. More gas.
Yes.
Cut across. Go. Brake hard. Slow it down more than you think. Keep slowing it. A little bit of gas while you're waiting.
Yes.
Over to the right.
Yeah.
Go full power. Don't brake it.
This is the scary one.
Don't say keep going. Trust me. Keep going.
Oh, I'm a pussy.
More brakes. You can actually brake harder.
Oh, this one is so scary because I'm like, I have to brake now.
Keep going. Full gas.
Yeah.
Right. Fourth gear corner brake now. On the brake. Off the brake.
Yeah.
Bit of gas.
Yes. Oh, the grip level is completely mad.
Brake. Good. Off the brake.
Off the brake.
Bit of gas.
Yes, this is flying.
Hard brake. Look for the end of the corner. Keep the brakes trailing all the way up to it. Good. Second gear.
Yeah.
Cut in early. Look ahead. Be patient. Squeeze.
I just realized it's in miles an hour.
Brake hard.
Yeah.
Keep braking harder. Look up.
Yeah.
Lovely. Off the brakes. Down a gear. Lovely. Keep looking through. Bit of gas now. Bit of gas. Keep it. Flat out. Hard brake going right. Slow it down more than you think. Slow it down.
Yeah.
Patience.
Yeah. That's my favorite one.
Right. Don't brake until I say.
I can't.
Flat out.
Yes, I'm trying to stay flat.
Flat out.
Yes.
Flat out.
Yes.
Brake.
Whoa, my.
Harder. Brake harder. There we go.
Whoa. Mental.
Lovely. Keep going. Gas. Full gas.
man, that was like insane.
It's unreal, isn't it?
I actually a bit speechless. Where am I going?
Just where these guys are lined up on the left.
Yeah.
We're going to do a couple of
That, like I've driven tracks, but I don't know why this is different because it's all just flat. You have no visual limits basically, you know?
Exactly.
Because on a track you're like, okay, this is a corner, I have to go left. And here,
like where we go?
here you're like in an ocean and you're like push, and I'm like, well, I have no even like it like adds a little more fun in a way that I don't know the track because I'm just shitting my pants pretty much all the time, and you're like push, and I'm like, push where?
Yeah, man. Honestly, you've done amazing. Really good.
Oh man, thank you. That was like a roller coaster. That was so cool.